Okay, so uh, I'm going to try to continue this stuff. Uh, okay, so I'm going to try to continue this just to make an example of the because I found finally how to display a different screen on the VR thing and the screen. So I'm going to try to make this in the most trying to explain it the best way possible. So the first thing, I'm using a Oculus VR helmet um, with the Oculus Rift, Oculus Touch controllers. So I think this can be done like, and I might just look for the control option. Maybe, I don't know. We will see. But right now, that's how we are going to make it work. So the first thing that we know, we need two things. This is the developer site. If you go straight to developer.oculus.com, you will find uh, this page. I click here, PC, and there is wait, there's a download part because these are the guides. Mm, okay, so it's here on. You have to go here to develop docs, develop and downloads, and in downloads we will find all these options. So the one that we are going to be using is this one, Unity. So we're going to download for first one, this the utilities, and we are going to download the avatar. So one that we have there, we have to uncompress them on our project. So I'm just going to open the folder. So I'm going to bring these two assets. So there is two. There is one that is Oculus Utilities, and the other one is OVR Avatar SDK. It's been some time since I tried this, so it can take some time. So Unity will detect that we copied those resources over there. And we'll finish detecting it. So Oculus Utilities is a requirement. You don't have to. You don't have to use that package straight. but it's required to use OVR Avatar SDK. That is like the tools that Unity to provide you to speed up the development of VR. So it includes, I think this is the OVR avatar, and let me see. Okay, I have the okay. So it's oh, this is OVR avatar SDK. It should have been only OVR avatar. Yeah, you don't have to include OVR avatar SDK in your project. You need to come to Unity and double click that and then click import, and then you can get rid of out of the OVR avatar folder that we include on our project. But let's just wait for this to finish. It looks like it's going to take a while, so let's just wait for it. It takes some time because it's these shaders. It look like they are like really heavy. They always take a long time to load. Yeah, and it seems that you don't need to keep these Oculus utilities again in your project. You need to uncompress the content that you download from the site and then include it in your project. Um, so I will need to do the same with these Oculus utilities. Yeah, when I said this was going to be slow, it's going to be slow. So I'll be right back in 1 second, 1 minute. I'm sorry, it's going to take more. That's exactly what you have to do. You just have to say that you are going to move from your computer. So it's finished. It's it. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back, and this shit is not done yet. So you relax. It takes its time. I'm not going to do this video. This is just like for the class. If we see, this is the folder of the project. It's writing like all the content here of your avatar. And honestly, I don't know why it takes so much. I don't like all the finally. That was one. We still have to install these Oculus utilities. Again, you don't need to and it might be the case that we don't need to install everything in here, but I don't know what every file and every I don't know what it is required and what is not. If you don't know what is required and what is not on the on a package, just don't mess with it. So uh, we have the now we have OVR and OVR avatar. Those are the ones that we need. These were the installers. I'm going to delete them so we don't keep trash on the project. So that's it. Now, uh, I just want to keep things organized in here. Let's keep this a little bit brighter for now. Okay. These are the screens. I'm just going to create a empty object. Screens. Just keep these two together. Okay. So now, OVR avatar. Prefabs. So we have local avatar. Okay, and let's see here, prefabs. We have gear, VR controller, OVR player controller. This is the one that I normally use for this. So this is the. We're going to remove the FPS controller. Because they are both this is our game view, remember, and this is like our edit or scene view. Okay, so console. It looks like it's finding some problems here. Oh yeah, this was a. This was because the we were missing the utilities, but it should be good now. Let's delete this. I don't remember how did I fix this last time. So yeah, it looks like we're missing some libraries. Okay, so we might need to restart Unity. Um, okay, so it's playing the same thing. Let's do because I don't want to delete this because I don't want to import it. Let's just delete the scripts and then samples. Oh, I think I remember what I did last time, but I deleted the stupid. So I deleted the scripts. So I'm just going to install again the. I'm going to click none, and I'm just going to re-import the scripts. That's it. And what I am this folder went to the wrong location. We should go to OBR avatar. I'm just going to check a reference. Remote look back. I think this is from another from the samples. What I'm going to do is leave the scripts that we imported here, and I am going to delete some of the scripts, some of the samples. Actually, I don't think we need the samples. I'm just going to delete the entire samples folder. Yes, I made a backup. Go ahead. Yeah. So uh, the Oculus utility helmet. Yes, go ahead and okay, restart. It's interesting, and that's the version that I just downloaded from the page. Okay, so okay, I remember this thing was this error was a thing too when the first time that I did this, just been some months. That means there are apps to be compatible with the editor on the 1 point. Oh yeah, this is because we downloaded the update and now we have twice the same plugin. So what we have to do is go to this folder. This theme, program files, Unity, editor, data, Unity, extensions, Unity, VR, Win64. That it can be different. You have to read because this can be different on your operating system. And is OVR plugin DLL and assets OVR plugins. Okay, so this basically is saying that our old plugin that we had on the Unity folder is old, but now we have a newer, so it doesn't know which one have to use. So what I'm going to do is I came here to the Unity folder. I'm going to rename this with another extension that it doesn't recognize it. It's .old. And then I'm going to bring in here this new file from assets OVR plugins. So it's on assets, so it's on our folder. Unity projects, documents, final prototype. Okay, so this location that is giving you here is related to your project. So once that you're on your projects, OVR plugins 1.81 Win64, and this is a plugin. So I'm just going to bring that plugin in here. Continue, and that's it. And now it should be like I still should have to remove that from the. Oh, it looked like it worked. let's see. Let's go here to content prefabs. First here, textures, shaders, scripts, scenes. These are good if you want to do like some, but I'm just going to delete that because we don't need that on this project. Materials, we need materials, meshes, plugins. That's the one that is downloaded. I'm going to delete that. Prefabs, we need the prefabs. So okay, so now we're going to try to bring this guy here. That is the controller, like the first person controller or third person controller. This is the OVR controller. So this is it. And if you have the, like I have here the headset, I'm just going to try it, like put it like over my head here. So you can see on the game screen that is showing where do I move, like sadly this thing I have to figure out how to set the okay, so this is the like the entrance. Okay, so I think you just have to rotate it a little bit, negative 90 degrees, and it should keep us now. No, it's still detecting the entrance over that. Or maybe it depends where it starts. Let's see, like here. No. Let's see. 90 degrees. Ah, okay, so now that's the entrance. I think this, yeah, this is being controlled by the controllers that I have here. So, oh shit, I just don't want to drop this. Okay, so, and I can see here what's going on. So obviously this is the preview, but what you see inside the helmet should be the same thing. I'm just going to do a quick test. So yeah, that's like the first step. Now, obviously, when this is the problem, right? Like, or the reason, that's the opportunity that we are trying to take advantage of. That there we have this screen that will be the one that is like playing, like someone without the VR will see. So, as far as I found, the only thing that we have to do to create a second screen, this is the okay, so this is the camera that we were using for the map, right? So for example, what we can do in here is click here on target eye and click none, and now this camera should be out of the VR, like should be like our main. Okay, let me see, because I got this oh yeah, and I use the depth. The depth, yeah, that's it. So that's the priority of the. We can still add like Oh yeah, we have something broken here because we have the map camera, and used to have the camera over the. So I'm going to create a camera. This could be like the monitor of the like or assistant, like or body camera, right? So we are going to add here this for the controller, and I think I have to do the same, none, but I will put remember the texture. I'm just going to put that to the PVR monitor, right? So now that you are on the like you're on the camera, right? Like you're on the like this is my thing now. Let's see, you are here. Um, I'm going to maximize this, and I'm going to click play. Um, wait, I just want to bring this headset here. So let's click play. Aha, so you see my like you're my body camera, and you can see the screen. Let me try this. Where there, there you are. Obviously, I want you guys have a way to see what I am doing here because it's coded, but I'm on your VR. I don't see the fucking map. You see your map. Is it displaying the? It looks like it's. Oh yeah, because we delete this. Could be the like the like the symbol and material. Yeah, I created like a, and I would like to add like an arrow. If this is not that quickly, it takes 10 seconds really quick. If the microphone is still on, yeah. So I'm going to create a new. Let's make it the 200 by 200. Let's create. I think there used to be an arrow to what I mean is not like silence. Fill. Let's put red. Stroke. Stroke. And let's do polygon tool. Sides. 3 sides. It's have the same. Okay, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to rotate for just like 90 degrees. And it's going to sit here. Okay, and I'm going to put the background. There. The background. So we have transparency here, and I'm going to save this as a PDF. I'm going to put it on. Project documents, assets, folder, images, and then I'm going to click here arrow. Okay, so now we have the arrow. I'm going to create here a 3D object plane with we have to create materials. Well, I have here assets. I'm even going to move this material here. Materials. Okay. I'm going to use this material that is the one that I was using, but I'm going to use this unilite texture, and I am going to set this image. Okay. Now I'm going to set material clean. Um, but it's not showing it's not showing the transparency. It might be like a fade or something like that. It's too tight. To the so let's just keep it like this right now. Not a good idea. It could be the material. We can try with a legacy shader and diffuse, diffuse, transparent. Transparent, I think it's very specular. Diffuse, yeah. So now we go to the controller and we are going to rotate this. So we know I decrease and size it like this. And I'm going to put it under all the controller. I need to see it's on X, O, C, and Y. So it's 0 and minus 18. Something like that. Yeah. So now we are in this guy right here, and let's see if it works. Like I don't see the arrow because it's flying in my head. You clearly can't see the here. It's good. Here is the okay. So now you can see. So let's see how it works. Oh shoot! I can leave for hours here if no one tells me like where it's like right. You guys say left or right. Babe? I think I remember this from the ones that you know what is. And we can do this like there's no timer. Like, you guys see what I see because we put the camera up, but we can definitely. Oh, fucking shit, I'm stuck in here. Where am I? Oh well, the camera is a little bit over there. Over here, we can do something like, let's say, and I think it looks so dark. Let's see. screens, right? We have the screens here. Directional light, directional light. Yeah, we can put some light there beside the player. Um, and I'm sure, for example, for example, this is a standard. We can make this a only light. Oh shit, not going to work. No, yeah, only light texture. And let's see the shader. Let me see textures. We should have all those textures too. So these two, let's move them to materials and materials. They are not materials, they are textures. But, yeah, but I think the list is better because it doesn't make like reflections. So for example, this is the controller, right? So the camera, what we are seeing on the camera is like two-way out of the player. Like it should be more like this. And we can make this like screens. For example, I want to remove, like make this screen like just a small size of the UI. I don't want it to be everything. Right? That's an idea. And just put like something else in there. This is the map camera. It should be. I will put it. Oh no. The yeah, this is like the console. I'm with the console camera, and this console camera will be grouped with these screens. And now I can move it like yeah. Now we have a full view of this one, and this shouldn't be a problem. the thing with the unit material is like it shouldn't be having that kind of problem. But anyway, I think that's out of the point. But I want to make it like this. This is how it can be done. I'm going to leave it out of it for now. You know, it's working. So. Oh, I can shoot this way. Oh. Yeah, and it's interesting because you see it looks like the camera is pointing to somewhere different than the player. Yeah. Like the player front view is here. The player front view is here and the camera is pointing to the other side, so you have to look with the camera. Console. Player, camera, focus. Yeah, we have to rotate it. Yeah, that's where it starts. So when we start with this guy, now we're looking at the front screen. Oh, I didn't bring it. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, this is pretty easy. So okay, so I just want to see this is facing the facing the screen. And the arrow is pointing to the arrow is totally the arrow has to be on the yeah. Now she got screen. The screen, the moment, that crazy moment was because the mouse is still focused to the, it's attached to the VR. So we can see this guy is here. The arrow, so where are we going? So hold it down, get out of here. Let's see. Yeah, this is super complicated. So I don't think this can be one, then we have the satisfaction of playing that I made it. Yeah. Thanks to that information. Yeah, I'm totally follow the moment. I cannot see that all because things are invisible. Oh, when I can see the screen, this guy. This can be fixed. Yeah, I can see the screen. The screen on the map. Actually, because it's not the same thing. Yeah, that's it. That was the thing that was giving me more like uh, questioning about how viable this project is. So that's it. See you guys.